Hi, this is Sander from perClass. In this video, my coworker Dea will show you how to mount the MV.C NIR camera from Headwall Photonics to the perClass stage. For this you will need the following things: the main camera holder, the 4 bigger screws and a size 4 hex key. First, put the main camera holder onto the camera in the way that the center of the main holder is aligned with the objective lens of the camera. This way the camera will be aligned with the vertical beam of the stage. You can now screw the 4 screws using the size 4 hex key. Now the camera holder is ready to be attached to the vertical beam of the perClass stage.